Communications is an inescapable part of human existence, and on the modern digitized battlefield, electronic communication enables rapid and accurate collection, exploitation, and dissemination of relevant information, which is vital to achieving operational objectives. The interception, location, and analysis of the enemy's electronic communications is necessary to establish complete situational awareness. A commander that knows the disposition and intention of the enemy at all times is able to act faster and with significant superiority, which is why the use of electronic warfare has been proven as a force multiplier that can determine the outcome of a battle. GEW understands electronic warfare as the commander understands the battlefield. Our broad range of defense and intelligence solutions incorporate monitoring and direction finding systems, communications jamming systems, EW command and control for strategic, mobile, and tactical installations. Building on the success and expertise of our military products portfolio, our ITU-compliant spectrum monitoring and management solutions enable telecommunication regulators to understand and regulate the use of the radio spectrum. Border and infrastructure security is critical to a nation's security. Our range of integrated security solutions, including surveillance, access control, and perimeter detection solutions, are used to protect international borders, airports, seaports, and other national key points. GEW is a prominent member of the South African defense industry. Born in the late 1960s, we have been the electronic warfare system supplier to the South African National Defence Force. This solid foundation has been at the core of our international growth. Today, GEW is a renowned global competitor and preferred supplier to numerous military and government institutions worldwide. GEW employs a highly skilled workforce with unique capabilities and many years of experience in their various fields. Our software division uses the latest development techniques to create a product that unleashes the powerful capabilities of our systems. Modern, state-of-the-art research, development, and manufacturing facilities give us the technological edge to meet the constantly evolving electronic threat in modern-day warfare. A strict quality control regime during the manufacturing process, along with highly accelerated stress testing and screening processes, result in extremely reliable products. Comprehensive on-site operational and maintenance training to the end users is part of our philosophy to enable our customers to derive maximum benefit from their systems. Our commitment to operational and maintenance support for our system is a key element of our success and a significant factor why our customers keep choosing GEW.